Hello everyone. This is going to be our first video in our series, and I'm going to take you through how to load data from a flat file source or a CSV file to an SQL Server database. So we shall be loading our data into one of the tables there. So we'll begin by creating our project, which I've already done. Then we open our package, which is already there. It has automatically opened a package. It's upon you to rename it. Say import into SQL Server from CSV File. That's the name of our package. Hope it will change. It has changed. Then we shall have to drag in our data flow task. After dragging in our data flow task, you tap on it twice for it to open. Since a flat file source is going to be our source, we shall drag in a flat file source, which we shall have to configure. Edit it. So I'll have to create a new connection. Then browse into my data. I look for CSV files. And I'll prefer to load this file. After loading this file, then I'll have to preview to see what I have within my file. So that's the data that is there. Look at my columns. Then okay. So my flat file source is already configured. Now, since our destination is a database or an SQL server, I have to go to the destination and check on the destination. Where can I get this is I use the OLEDB destination. It's where I'm going to load my file, my data into. So I'll have to configure it also. So I'll have to create a connection. I have to get to know which database am I going to use. Being that the database I'm going to use is not here, I'll have to create a new connection on the database. So I have to put in my server name, of which I don't recall in my head, so I have to go back to the server management studio to get the server name. This is my server name, and it's a bit long and complicated, so I have to copy it. Can easily copy it from here and come and paste it here. Then here you put in the name of the database you're working with. So I'm working with a database called LAN. That's why it is not appearing there, so I have to load it in too. Oh, it's not accepting the net provider. So to make it work effectively, I come here and look for a service that will work for me. Let DB provider for SQL Server. Let me use this. Hope it will work. It has accepted. So put in my connection, which means the connection has succeeded. Then I use table view of first load because I don't have any table in my database, so I will have to create one. So it has created for me a table within my database. So that's the name of my what? This is the name of my table I created, or else I can change its name. Can still say new. And change its name here. Say course. So when I choose this, I come and check my mappings. Am I table matching? Am I variables matching? Then it's okay. So the connection is done. So after this, I go and run my package. So finally have loaded data into my table in a database. To see your results, you still go to the server management studio and open it. And view your tables. So I have already, remember I created two tables, but I loaded data in this first table. So to see results, first refresh. And then open your table to see if the data has been loaded. Finally guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.